Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to try and install the doorknob. As you can see, I've already had this installed, so I'm not going to use this piece. But yeah, anyway, this is from Mr. DIY, around 20 ringgit. So yeah, today is going to be a tutorial on how to install doorknob. So now we're going to detach this, and this will be the inside of the door. So we're going to detach this. So if you look at it here, there's a latch here. You can put in something sharp, push in, and then pull out the doorknob like so, and you can pull it up and set it aside. And this is also how you can take it off your door also. The 70mm size one, so you make sure you have to check your size before you install. And then for the orientation, it should be this way as the door is locked into like so. So we're going to screw it in. Then we're going to slide it here, make sure it latches into here. So like so. And make sure it works. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to put this here as my one came like this. So right here, this is to lock the doorknob in place. So I'm gonna have to hold the other side. This part also. Okay, and then screw this one in. And put this back in. Yeah, that's how it works now. Yeah, like so. Alright, I hope you find this useful. Watch my other video if you're interested, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.